Hello. Right. I've been stuck in this fucking house for about 4 days now. Been out for one walk a day. One fucking walk a day. That's all. I've been running around the garden, sniffing my own arse, with fuck all to do. So I'm laying on the bed now, thinking, what the fuck am I gonna do later? Fed up, pissed off, bored, I've had enough. Fucking coronavirus, my arse.
I love you. Mishka, I love you.
I love you. I love you. Good girl. I love you. I love you.
I love you!
Sit. Parlare. 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 Zitto. Good girl. Good girl. I love you. Say I love you.
What? What do you want? Is there something I can do for you? Anything in particular? Tell me about it. And what else? What? Well, tell me. You what? You love me? I love you.
Speak, Dakota. Good girl. Blaze. What? Dakota, can you say rib bone? Can you say rib? Pretty good.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Can you say goodbye? Say goodbye, Paco.
Odie, I love you. I love you.
Mishka, bye-bye.